I want to salute the Inhebantu. I love that word. The Inhebantu. I call her Inhebantu in Runyankore. I begin my very brief remarks by warmly welcoming all of you to your national house, State House Entebbe, and allow me in a special way to welcome the Inhebantu. I'm sure all of us here remember the royal wedding and the beautiful bride Busoga received on that day, and the rest of Uganda cheered you on. I want to thank the Busoga people for such a beautiful title you gave to the wife of your king, Inhebantu. Inhebantu is such a beautiful title, which just means in Runyankore, Inhebantu, the mother of the people. I have not heard of such a title of all traditions and kingdoms and chiefdoms in Uganda. When I was watching that wedding, I heard of that title. I loved it so much, and it truly fitted your bride and your queen. Those of us who were not present physically watched the ceremony on television with happiness and gratitude to God. In this age when the traditional family is under severe attack, we cannot help but thank God when we see two young people come together to start a family in a godly way. We therefore congratulate both of you heartily. Thank you for giving us a day today to celebrate what God started in your lives not too long ago. We all know that a nation is as strong as its families, so please be assured of our prayers and all the support as you start out in this new journey. I want to salute the Inhebantu. I love that word. The Inhebantu. I call her Inhebantu in Runyankore. I want to salute her for graciously embracing the role of serving as a patron of the Nyendeire group in Busoga region. The Nyendeire initiative is a community-based organization that my office and some movement young ladies, friends and colleagues of mine formed in 2015. It is focused on empowering women in a wholesome manner. The focus of Nyendeire is to equip women in their own homesteads, in health, in wealth creation, in hygiene, in nutrition, in parenting, in spiritual life and cultural norms. It is a true saying that when you equip women, you have equipped the nation. I am therefore very happy that Inhebantu has embraced the call to be a champion and a patron for empowering the women in the Busoga region. I know that with her oversight as Inhebantu, this work will continue to grow and cover all the 11 districts of Busoga and even thrive better than ever before.